Should you say, I've been in Australia for 3 months? Or since 3 months? Or 3 months ago? Confusing, right? My name is Holly and I'm going to show you how to use these 3 words so the next time somebody asks you, how long have you been in Australia? You know exactly what to say. Alright, let's understand how to use for, since, and ago. We'll start with the word for. To understand how to use it properly, take a look at these 3 sentences. I've been in Australia for 1 year. I've studied at English Unlimited for 8 months. I've worked at Pizza Hut for 2 weeks. In each of these sentences, we use the word for to refer to the period of time, the duration of time, the length of time, how long you have done something for. 1 year, 8 months, 2 weeks. So for refers to a specific length of time, a duration. Now, I want you to also notice which verb tense we're using here. Notice that there are 2 parts to the verb. Have plus verb, then the word for. I have been in Australia for 1 year. I've studied, I have studied at English Unlimited for 8 months. I've worked, I have worked at Pizza Hut for 2 weeks. Have been for, have studied for, have worked for. Now, let's take a closer look at the word since. For and since often get confused. What's wrong with this sentence? I've been in Australia since 1 year. It's not right, is it? Let's change that time word. That's better. I've been in Australia since 2021. This time, we're focusing on a specific year, 2021. If you focus on a specific time, like a year, then you need to use since. So we use since with a specific year or a specific month or a specific day or even a specific time. Let me show you some more examples. I've been in Australia since 2021. I've studied at English Unlimited since March. I've worked at Pizza Hut since Tuesday. Notice how there is the word since, and then there is the specific year, 2021, the specific month, March, and the specific day, Tuesday. So we use for if you're talking about a duration of time, like 1 year or 6 months or 3 weeks. And you use since if you are talking about a specific time in the past, like 2021 or March or Tuesday. All right, before we move on and learn how to use the word ago, let me tell you about why you should study English in Australia at English Unlimited. English Unlimited has English language schools all around Australia. We have some of the best teachers who will make sure your English improves out of sight. Find out more about studying English with us by clicking the link in the description below. So now we know the difference between for and since, but what about ago? This one's a little bit different. I came to Sydney 3 months ago. I arrived in Sydney 3 months ago. I moved to Sydney 3 months ago. What's the difference here? Well, Firstly, we say ago after the time word. We say 3 months ago. Another difference is the verb came, arrived, moved. Notice anything? Bingo. They only have one word this time. It's just a simple past verb. So really, the word ago means in the past. Like, I ate lunch 2 hours ago. 2 hours in the past. Or my friend called me 10 minutes ago. 10 minutes in the past. Okay, just to make sure you have learned all of this back to front, let me give you a little quiz. Don't worry, you don't have to move. Just listen and think of the answer in your mind. Question 1. Choose the correct word. For, since, ago. I have been in Brisbane. January. Question 2. Choose the correct word. For, since, ago. I have studied at English Unlimited 3 months. Question 3. Choose the correct word. For, since, ago. I moved to Australia 18 months. Did you get them? The answer to question 1 is since. The answer to question 2 is for. And the answer to question 3 is ago. Cool. So next time somebody asks you, how long have you been in Australia? What are you gonna say? Write your answer in the comments below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. My name is Holly and I'll see you soon.